The more life depends on technology, and the less I create with my hands, I realize an instinctive desire to make something tangible, to make something awesome. With no workspace and limited access to tools and skills, getting started was super frustrating. Once I finally finished my first project, my hands and heart were instantly transformed. Feeling empowered and capable, I approached each new project with increased confidence. At the DIY Joint, our goal is simple: to give others an opportunity to de-stress, learn new skills, and indulge their creativity. It's not about what you make, it's about the satisfaction of doing it yourself. You don't have to be a master craftsman to make something awesome. It's awesome because you made it.